Video, I will show you how to turn your photos into videos in Gemini. So to get started, go ahead and open gemini.google.com/app into your browser. So once you're in here, go ahead and click on this Gemini version section and then click on this upgrade button. So basically, converting your photos into videos in Gemini is only possible if you're actually subscribe to Gemini Pro with Google AI plan. So make sure to subscribe to this to be able to find the video tool into this section. So once you're subscribed to this, go ahead and click on that video button on the tool section and then go ahead and upload the photo that you have. And then choose turn a photo into video from the drop down menu. So add the photo by clicking on the plus button and select an image from your device. High resolution images work best for smoother animations. And then in the prompt box, make sure to describe the motion and sound that you want. So make the clouds drift slowly across the sky with softened sounds and birds chirping is an example of that. After this, you need to go ahead and click on that generate button and wait for a few seconds. Gemini will create a 8-second video with motion and sound complete with a visible watermark and invisible synth ID for authenticity. And after that, you can go ahead and preview the video, tap the download to save it as an MP4 or use the share icon to post it directly to your social media. And that is how you can basically turn your photos into videos in Gemini.